Hello everybody. If your Windows 11 start menu is not responding, we can follow up this process and fix it step by step. So here is a guide for that. We can restart our Windows Explorer. Go to your Task Manager for that. Hit Enter and find Windows Explorer here so we can expand it up and find Windows Explorer here. Find it up, right click on it, select the option of End Task for Windows Explorer, and that should often fix the start menu itself, and taskbar issues immediately should be fixed. Apart from that, you can just go over and run System File Checker and DISM. Press Windows plus S for that, and there type in CMD, run that as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, you may run these commands one by one. So you can type in these commands. These right here. So first of all, type in sfc space /scan now. So type it in, hit enter, and it may take some time for that. So once this process is completed, you can just go over and type in the second one, which is this one right here, DISM online, cleanup image, restore health. So you can type in that and hit enter and complete the process right there. And restart your PC. Apart from that, you can re-register the start menu. So you can run PowerShell as an administrator. Type in PowerShell, run it as administrator, and allow the permission to make changes to your device. And that should open up. And here also type in this command. This one right here will also leave it in the description. Go ahead and copy it. Once it is copied, paste it up right here and hit enter and wait for it to finish up, and then restart your PC once again. And also check for updates. If there is any kind of updates, go to Windows plus I, your settings, go to Windows Update. And if there is any kind of update available, you can just go over and update, download and install the latest available update for your Windows. And that's it. That should probably fix your issue for your start menu not working or appearing. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.